Hello guys, welcome back to another channel. Now we're gonna play the new update of Brookhaven. Let's go. Here's the update. No firing set, range R set, combat training route, shooting range basement, 5 new gun skin, 2 new pistols, 1 new shotgun, 1 new rifle, 1 new sniper, 5 new firearms props, 4 new targets, 1 gun pack zip. Mobile gun controls. Topic anywhere you're on your screen. Now shoots gun on mobile. There's a new house too. Let's get it. What is this? What? What is in the basement? Lock the door, lock. Let's. Oh my god! How? How do you do this? I'm gonna do the sniper. This is fun. How about this? Oh, robbers. How about this one? What is this button? I'm gonna cheat. Let's take a look. Look at this new sniper. It looks like a shotgun. How about this? This looks like a shotgun more. How about the other weapons? This and this and this. Wow! This looks like assault rifle. Wow. This looks like a flare gun. How about this one? It's a revolver. Let's go to the combat stage. Cool. And take a look for the house now. Oh my god! There's so many snipers. This looks like a rival sniper because it's green. So many guns. How about clothes, bedroom, shower, 3 showers, and 1 bath. How about privacy? There's no door. look at the kitchen. Two stoves and one washing machine. This is the only food we're gonna get always. But there's infinite food. How about it? This is looks like a office. The plan. What is this? This is the world. This is Philippines. I know, cause I'm in there. Combat training. Let's go. Shoot out. This is fun. How about another one? What is what is this button? How about inflation? Don't shoot. Don't shoot the bacon. Shoot the bad guys. How about we try another one? Another one. Hostage. This is fun. Oh, there's guns here. This is the same one we use when we are at the shooting range. And this one that we use now. How about empty? This is a plant-based maze. That's a maze. About props. Let's look on the props. What we have now. What we have. Wait, what? There's also this. What? This? Oh, misput. Where is it? Wait. Check it out. Check it out. Wait, what? This is so fun. Put it. It's glitching. It's so fun. Fun, fun, fun. Like that. That's so fun. Sir, wait. I forgot I locked the door. I forgot. Cause all of that fun watching here. And make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Hit the like button and subscribe button. Bye. See you in the next video. Wash